Welcome to Kishore's Neat Pathshala. In this video lecture, we will see the concept of Poisson's ratio. And it's a very easy thing. Only one formula you must remember. From this, they ask many questions in NEET exam. So Poisson's ratio is indicated by gamma, which is the ratio of lateral strain divided by longitudinal strain. So within the elastic limit, the ratio of lateral strain divided by longitudinal strain is Poisson's ratio. Suppose you assume a cylinder. Okay, this is the original cylinder. You are elongating this side and both the length side both the sides you are elongating it. So Poisson's ratio is lateral strain. So along the horizontal direction, lateral strain is radius. So delta R by R divided by longitudinal strain. Longitudinal strain is nothing but length. So delta L by L. And here you want to add the negative sign. This negative sign is very important when you do the numericals. Okay, so Poisson's ratio is minus delta R by R lateral strain divided by longitudinal strain, which is delta L by L. It is a dimensionless quantity, or it has no unit. Next, theoretical value of Poisson's ratio is minus 1 to 0.5. Its practical value is 0 to 0.5. This also you must remember. Which of the following is a possible practical value of Poisson's ratio? It is a common type of question. Now let us do one numerical. This is most frequently asked question. A material has Poisson's ratio of 0.5. So Poisson's ratio is 1 by 2. That is equal to negative of delta R by R divided by delta L by L. So if the uniform rod suffers a longitudinal strain of 2 into 10 power minus 3. So 1 by 2 is equal to minus delta R by R. Longitudinal strain is 2 into 10 power minus 3. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 10 power minus 3 is equal to minus delta R by R. Find the percentage change in volume they are asking. I have said volume is equal to AL, which is for a wire or rod it is pi r square into L. So fractional change in volume is equal to 2 into delta R by R plus delta L by L. In many previous videos I have said this thing. So delta V by V is equal to 2 into, so this negative sign comes here, so which is minus 10 power minus 3. So 2 into delta R by R is minus 10 power minus 3 plus delta L by L. Delta L by L is 2 into 10 power minus 3. So which is minus 2 into 10 power minus 3 plus 2 into 10 power minus 3. So which is 0. So fractional change in volume is 0. Percentage change in volume is multiplying it by 100. So which is 0 into 100, that is also 0%. So fractional change in your volume is 0%. It is a previous year question and the most commonly asked question. So you must remember it. Now these are all the important relation. Okay, that is relations involving common relations between different moduli. B is the bulk moduli, Y is the Young moduli, G is the rigidity moduli, and gamma is the Poisson's ratio. So Y is equal to 9 into 9bg divided by 3b plus g. Y is equal to 3b into 1 minus 2 of Poisson's ratio. Y is equal to 2g into 1 plus Poisson's ratio, and Poisson's ratio is equal to 3b minus 2g divided by 6b plus 2g. All these four relations you must remember. Okay, now let us work out a numerical based on this thing. If Young's modulus, so Young's modulus is 3 times the rigidity modulus they have given, then Poisson's ratio they are asking. So you must select the formula which is the right formula. See here, which is the right formula you must select. So Y is there and G is there and gamma is asked. So this formula is the right formula you must use. Y is equal to 2G 1 plus gamma. So Y is equal to 2G into 1 plus gamma. So given that Y is equal to 3G, I am substituting it. 3G is equal to 2G into 1 plus gamma. So this and this get cancelled. It is 1.5 is equal to 1 plus gamma. So gamma is equal to 0.5. So fourth option is the correct answer. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Pathshala. Thank you.